Salute to 𝐑𝐄𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo, what's up, guys? What's up? Jamaica 𝐓𝐍 here with a reaction. So this reaction is more of a breakdown because I've seen the trailer already. I watched it like 31 times. I swear I've been counting. I watched it so many times to try and break it down as best as I can with as much details as I can. So what I've done, I've taken notes of what I've seen and what I've noticed. So we are going to get into it and find out what other reaction may have missed. So let's get into it. So first of all here, obviously it's set in Miami. This is Miami from an overhead shot. I think we're gonna be heading over here to the actual city. So this is the highway coming into Miami.
Lucia.
So the song I done some research on the song. The song is done by Tom Petty. The title of the track is Love is a Long Road. So Tom Petty, Love is a Long Road. So if you're interested, you can go and listen to the full track. So we're gonna be pausing a lot because I know that Rockstar doesn't like people doing stuff like this. So let's go.
Lucia, do you know why you're here? Bad luck,
So obviously this is one of the main character, Lucia. We can see Lucia talking to her counsel. She's an inmate in a prison. I think it's Miami. It's somewhere in Miami. The prison is. I've never been to Miami before, so this is just me doing my research on things. So yeah, she's here talking to her counsel. Let's go.
I guess.
Obviously now this is Miami Beach. We're in Miami Beach. So this sign here that we see advertising. So this advertisement signs, so earlier on I had to zoom in on it. I had to really zoom in on it. And the banner says, why 69 when you can 919? So I'm thinking maybe it's like a club, a name of a club, not 919, probably name of a club, probably. So you know that Miami is famous for lots of clubs and stuff like that. So let's go. And obviously they show us out in the Everglades as well, the animals, the flamingos, we see crocodiles, we see birds. So now we're on the beach now, and what I pick up from the beach, I think this is South Beach, Miami. What I pick up from the beach is the characters look so real. These guys look so real. These guys and girls look so real. We can see over here a guy taking a picture from maybe this is his woman. I'm hoping that this is his female. He's taking a picture of her from the back. We see people here sunbathing. We see a little dog here. So obviously, hopefully, we can have pets. Like people can have their own pets in there without it being a mud. So that would be quite cool as well, I think. Obviously, we see a helicopter flying over, patrolling the airspace and stuff like that. Planes going about their normal business. What else can we see? Obviously, the jet skis are there and stuff. But yo, the female looks so. Obviously, over here we can see these girls are oiled up and looking nice and shine. She's gonna be my girl in game. Not in real life. She's a pixel pussy, of course. But yeah, let's go. We then. There was a girl this one here, BNT Del Mar, that doesn't mean nothing to me. So I'm thinking that this scene right here that they're showing now, obviously the ship and the overhead goods, maybe a bit of import and export missions and stuff like that would be coming into play. So that would be normal GTA. That would be good. She said she cared about. Obviously now we're at the night now, and they're on the motorway. We see this guy here leaning out of his car, taking a picture of this female here. Then we move on to the cars. Yo, the cars look so amazing, so detailed and very highly customization, as you can see on some of these cars. So these are all proper customizable cars, and I'm hoping that it stays that way in the game. Obviously, this is a trailer, so this is gonna be different. So let's go.
She tried to make me
Go back.
cared about me. She tried to make.
So this is just a quick club shot. We see the guy here making the money rain on this stripper. We see some action over here. This sign up here said "Make it rain Monday." So I'm thinking that's the theme of the club. It's a Monday, make it rain Monday. As I said earlier on, we see the guy here making it rain on the girl. You know, making the money rain. Looking good, looking good, looking good. All right, let's go. The detail on these guys' chains are amazing. The jewelry is so realistic. Rockstar, well done on that. And I hope it stays like that in the game. Obviously, this is a trailer, so hope it stays actually like that in the game. We see the skin details on this guy here, like the acne spots and stuff like that. The acne spots in his face and the various breaks and stuff in his skin. We see the tattoos here, which is looking very, 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 very real. Very real, very real. Let's go. So obviously, we've seen some little islands here. I'm not sure what the name of these islands would be. I don't know, but hopefully people can actually own their homes over there. And I think I watched something about people saying we will be able to enter every building in the game. That would be amazing. That would be really amazing to actually do that, because we know in GTA 5 we cannot do that. So yeah, let's go. We see a Bugatti Veyron over here coming down the road. We see a Mercedes here. We see a Porsche here. Oh my God, a Ferrari here. Obviously, I'm not sure if Rockstar's got the license to use the actual real cars in the game from all these cars companies all over the world that's making cars. I don't think they have, but they have got these cars, so just like the normal cars. So that's
She thought it should be.
and then we're back again in another club. Obviously, you know that clubs are a really big scene in Miami. We're back again in another club. Miami Keys. I'm thinking maybe this is Miami Keys. Sorry. I'm thinking maybe this is Miami Keys where we can actually drive down here to these separate islands, and probably hopefully there's missions down there, or you can own homes down there. We see the ships going through. We see planes flying over. We see trees and stuff like that. So hopefully we can access that, and it's not hard to get to, or you have to do certain things to get to that island. But obviously these places are millionaire places, so lots of millionaires live over there. Let's go.
Yeah, we were desperate then.
Obviously now this is a rooftop party where we see the females. The details on these people. We see this guy over here on his phone. We see this girl over here having a drink. This girl just living the moment of social media. Is social media. She's probably got someone taking a picture or something, so she's just busting a pose, you know.
To have each other.
So we see this sugar daddy here on the he's living his best life with all the sugar daddy. Hey papi, save some sugar baby for the rest of us. So we see someone say, Dad Bod Squad said, hey papi, save some sugar baby for the rest of us. So obviously this is someone just putting a message out there, just save some of the sugar baby. So we see him here living his best life. He's probably gonna be single after this, to be honest. I like it. Yes, we see the alligators and stuff like that. It says stay alert, Vice City. Okay, stay alert, Vice City. Remember to check the uninvited guests before the pool party. So check the pools, make sure that everything is good before the pool party, because you know that these creatures lurks in these places. So yeah, Gator out of the pool is coming out. We see the girl. This is one of my favorite moments. We see the girl twerking on the car. Very risky, but this is GTA. What do you expect? Someone called the Department of Transport on this dump truck. Hashtag have a nice day. Yeah. So this is from Have a Vice Day. Have a Vice Day. Someone called it the Department of Transport on this dump truck. I like that. This is funny. So yeah, I'm sure he's not talking about the car. It's a dump truck, or the vehicle. There's no dump truck here. The girl is a dump truck. All right. So let's go. Obviously now there is car meet. Obviously now here that there's a car meet in the middle of the street where they block off the road. So I'm assuming police will be there soon to break that shit up, because no one wants to be a block road in Miami, right? Wrong. People be doing that shit. Anyway, let's continue. Obviously we see someone going live here, videoing these two girls. Zaza Nugget said the best song, the best song right now, long time coming. We really out here. Shani C say, hey, catch a vibe. Your girl 99 says, finna spin the block with this one. And Lick said, this is the shit bomb. Yeah, this is the shit bomb. She said, all right. Let's go. Obviously now we see alligator. Obviously now we see an alligator coming into the store. So is that a normal thing in Miami? I've never been to Miami before. Like I said, I've just done my research and take some notes from what I've seen after watching the video so many times. Obviously, we see a police raid. We see police chasing someone. I love reading these are the thing. Someone says, okay, usually got to hit the strip club to see jiggers like that for real. So someone's taking the piss out of this guy's belly. He's running. So someone's videoing when he's running fast. It's funny. So obviously, I'm not sure why they're chasing him, but it must be some reason why they're chasing him. Let's get my other page here from a note. Okay, these guys. It's just doing what they're doing. I think. So this guy is basically bad driving someone, and he jumped out of his car, grabbing his crotch and apologizing, which is not an apology. He's just taking the piss. Of course, he's probably got his gun on him, so you better be careful. So we see this guy out, this old naked guy watering his plants. I guess it's a hot summer day, so he's probably just watering his plants and just having a chill day with a couple of beers on the back. We see around the back here there is a paddling pool, typical in Miami from my research. I need to go to Miami though. I need to go to Miami. Obviously, there's a party here. There's lots of mods and stuff like that. So obviously, mod club, Thrill Billy Mod Club. So obviously this is out in the sticks where the hillbillies are doing the mud clubs and stuff like that, which is good.
Well.
So this is Granny. Granny's out with two hammers. Neighborhood watch. Don't play around in Hamlet. So don't play around in Hamlet. So Granny is a neighborhood watch. She's coming out in her 90 and she's ready to smash someone over the face.
Look who's back.
Look who's back. Obviously, there's a crazy party. Obviously, we see.
We're gonna get.
So I'm thinking this
Look
guy is
who's back. The only way.
So I'm thinking this guy here is Jason. I'm assuming Jason is the next lead character. So it's Jason and Lucia. I think they're gonna be playing like a Bonnie and Clyde. Here is Lucia here looking spectacular. So this is gonna be like a Bonnie and Clyde thing, I think. So it's gonna be an interesting story. I think it's gonna be interesting.
Get through this.
Obviously, there's a crash here. So this guy here was doing something. This is all Spanish. I'm not sure what he says. I'm gonna have to do my research and translate that. Or if someone knows in the comment section, please let me know what this says here. So this guy's been caught on the news. Maybe gone and done some robbery or something. He got caught on camera, but with tattoos like this, you can't hide. You can't hide from no one, you know? No one's gonna believe it's not you when you're on camera looking like that. Come on. You're looking straight in the camera. Let's go.
Is by sticking together.
Obviously, we see the bikers are out on their quads and the scramblers and stuff like that. They're out and about in the streets, causing havoc as you do. Obviously, there you go. Crossing over. Dirt bags. Cop failed to stop thugs on motorbikes terrorizing Vice City. So we see cops fail to stop in them, of course, because they can't catch them. Let's go.
Being a team.
Here again, we got some more customizable cars. We got the big guys. This is the high roller lifestyle. High rollers lifestyle here. So it's just more customizable cars. I think they're having some sort of party in the streets or something. Which is GTA once again. It's GTA. Let's go. Oh, this is one of my favorite shots here. This is so much details here. Look at it.
Is by sticking together, being a team.
Like, look at the liquor and the cigarettes, and just look at the stuff in the storage. Look how detailed they are. Look how detailed they are. So obviously we see Lucy and Jason here probably just pulling off another robbery as they do. The chase, the graphics is so amazing. Trust. So she just mentioned trust to him. So obviously that's what them two got. Trust. There they go again, out doing another robbery. So they trust each other to have each other's back, to know that if shit goes down, they are there to defend it for each other. What's it say? Log a light. Okay, $3.99. $30.99, not $3.99. So yeah. Obviously, the logo. Obviously, coming 2025. We're just going into 2024 now. This is December. We're going into 2024 now. We got another year, probably another year and a half, maybe nearly 2 years, maybe. I don't know. Depending on when in 2025 it drops. So yeah. Yeah, so that is my breakdown to it. If I miss anything, guys, let me know. If I get anything wrong, do you think, let me know. Leave what you think about the game in the comment section. Well, about the trailer in the comment section for me. Is it worth the wait? I think it's worth the wait. What do you guys think? I'm looking forward to it. So yeah. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you do enjoy this video, please drop a like on the video, because I will be playing this game from start to finish. Drop a like on the video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica, worst game, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.